everyone, my name is VikkiToria. So a few days ago on my Instagram I asked you guys what content you guys would like to see from me, as I would like to create content that is helpful and content that you guys love. So today I would like to give a shout out to Nyx Lawrence, as she requested an easy stay-at-home mom look. This look that I've created is a stay-at-home mom look, as well as for work away from home moms. It's for stay-at-home moms working from home, or just a quick everyday makeup look. So a quick easy makeup look is just what we all need. Please remember to also subscribe if you would like to see more content like this, and remember to click on the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. And if you would like to see how I created this quick 5-minute eyeshadow look, then please keep watching. So first I'm starting off with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 05, and we're just going to be applying that to our eyelid as a good base to start with. And as always, I'm blending it out with my finger. Next, I'm setting that with my Yardley translucent powder. For the purpose of this video, I'm using the LA Girl Eyeshadow Collections palette in the nude range, and this has some lovely nude colors that you can use for everyday use. So this is a great all-rounder palette. I'm going to be dipping into the 4th shade from the left, and we're going to place that into our crease to deepen up that crease and give us some definition to the eye. So what I'm doing, I'm pressing in that color into the crease first, and once we've placed that color down, we're now going to go in with a blending brush and blend it all out. So for this step, you can use any light brown color, light brown to medium brown color, just to deepen up that crease line, and that will give us some dimension to the eye. Next, I'm going to be dipping into the 3rd shade, and this shade has a bit more shimmer to it. It's a kind of a pinky, cool toned shimmer shade, and we're going to be dipping into that and placing it onto the entire lid. And we're just going up to the crease line with this shade. Next, I'm going in with the Loreal Telescopic False Lash Mascara. Guys, so the next step is optional. I'm going to be adding some false lashes. You don't have to. If it's an everyday look and you don't want to add any lashes, then you can just coat your own lashes with some mascara and be done with it. Next, we're going to dip back into the shade that we used in our crease line. So in that palette, that would be the 4th shadow from the left, and we're going to be placing that all along the lower lash line from the outer corner to the inner corner. Next, I'm dipping into that palette, the 2nd shade. It's a lightish pinkish color, and we're just going to be applying that underneath the shade that we've just placed down, just to blend all of that out. Now we're going to dip back into that palette, into that 3rd shade, that shimmery color, and we're just going to place that in the inner corner for some highlight. Next, I'm dipping into the 1st shade, which is the white color, and we're just going to add a little bit of that to our brow bone, just to make that pop. Lastly, we just need to coat our bottom lashes. So this is the final look. Let me know if it was helpful, and if there's any other content that you guys would like to see, then I can add it to my content calendar. Until I see you guys next time, keep smiling. Bye.